I'm a defending champion in wrestling, never champion. I'm number one. That's where no go. In Biafra, we must stand. United we stand. Divided we fall. No going back. All hands goes down to Biafra. Ojuku has gone, but we still remain. The blood must go, and the blood runs in our veins. As a Biafra warrior, we are not going back. Biafra will stand. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra.
You must fall.
All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. Biafra ibe me kelekwa mbunu. You know, asonya amuma mu. Ana me ebu amuma na emechi anya, me na ebu amuma na emepe anya. I've been thinking, how can we build a united Biafra? How do we make Biafra strong? And there are some thoughts. I've been reasoning why this our superstars, our musicians, our film actors, why are they keeping silent? We made them rich. We made them who they are. Understand? But they have decided, they have chosen to say nothing about the killings and the massacre of their people. Biafra, wherever you are, let us be connected. Let us be united. Let us have oneness. Let us have love. No matter wherever you are, so anywhere, let us have one mind. That this is what we are going to do, and we'll do it. If we can regain our trust, if we can trust ourselves, wherever we are, let us build a united, loving, caring, peaceful Biafra. It's not all about all this our old generation. Let us build, let us have love. If I should happen to meet somebody online, this is a Biafra, and we have an agreement. I don't need to see you. All I need to see, guy, this is what I want us to do. This is how we will build a united Biafra. You see all these our musicians. You see all these our film actors. You see all these our entertainers. Let us start now and show them that we are making them who they are. If you don't know, you know it. Any music, anybody post online, if you click to their link, once you click to their link, you open it, your money, your MB is making them rich. And they have decided not to talk about what is happening. Let us start now and unfriend all of them. Ma Tekino, ma Fino, ma Kemaha, Timaya, Flavor, all these superstars, they have refused to talk. Let us unfriend all. Let us block all of them. Let us make them count at that. Let us bring them down. They have 2 million followers. It's we. They have 5 million. It's we. If they have 1 follower, if they post anything, nobody will see it. How? Tell me, how will their music be hit song? If we stop to follow them. Please, my Biafran brothers, wherever you are, let us begin to unfriend them. Any of them, even on anywhere, Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp or YouTube. Let us unfriend all of them. Let us make them countless. Let us make them to go down, 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 down. Because they are not helping the matter. Who finna help? Who Timaya help? Who Flavor help? Nobody. They help us not, but we are the one helping them. They will bring song, they will put it on YouTube. You will go there and watch it. You make them rich. They will kill your brother. They will pretend like they are not seeing it. And after they will come and they will open show. We will go and pay money and make them more richer. And you think, is it that now? Are they not hearing what is happening to our brothers everywhere? Why can't they put up their voice and sing? Come, just, they are very greedy. Greediness had excess. They cannot give you money. Okay, talk now. Let us know what is in your mind towards your people. You will not talk. My brothers, let us begin to unfriend them. We have Biafrans who are more talented than them. The only why they have not blown is because we have not given them just the support they need to. If you are a Biafran, you are talented, you know good music, you know good music. Oh, barato, arabanko, baby, put baby, carrot, baby. No, go back to the studio. You sit down and you write a better song. You make a better hit. Bring it out. We will take it to the world. This is the time of internet. This is no more the time of somebody will be talking rubbish. This is the time of what you put on the air is what will sell. Not what is whatever you put on this internet is what will sell. So let us begin to promote our poor Biafrans who are talented and who have identified the struggle with us. Let us join hands to them. Let us make them rich. Let us begin to unfriend all these superstars who have not said anything. The other time, Tiwa Savage was tweeting that Black Lives Matters in America. Black Lives Matters in America. Then your people, and we are the one who is paying way to all these people. I've been thinking all these things. The only thing we need to do is let us unfriend Hancha. Unfriend them. Unfriend all. Unfriend all the superstars. Unfriend all the superstars you have on your social media. Let us unfriend all of them. And see if they will not beg. I know the guy's sentiment. Okay, now, because me and Flavor, we are from the same village. I will say, I have a friend Flavor. I have a friend Fino. I have a friend Patoranki. These are the 3 guys I'm following. But I have a friend them because who they help? They don't help anybody. You understand what I'm saying? They don't help anybody. They don't help anybody. They're not helping anybody. So let us unfriend them. Anybody at all who is a superstar, if he doesn't have anything to tell us about Biafra struggle, you unfriend them. Even our senators. The reason why they will tweet, they will hear their tweet is because we are the one liking it, sharing it. If we unfriend them, we didn't share it. How can they hear it? They cannot hear it. So my brothers, this is what I want to say. I beg. Let us unfriend all the unfriendable. Only one anybody that we're supposed to unfriend yeah. That is not helping matters. We unfriend him. He's a gnostical nonsense. He's an imbecile. My director. Or she, the person is an imbecile. Oh, thank you.
Ndewo mam. Sa biko atụrụ m ịmatụ aha ogene sa. Aha m ọkpara eze Innocent Okori Anyanwụ. Onye Imo State Inobo local government area. Okay. So okwere m nghọta na enọghị n'obodo Nigeria this station. Mba, ese South Africa where you from ụmụahịa for sick bed. Now I love Kanu down overnight here. Now Nigeria here, Nigeria headquarters. Okay. So, because when I South Africa, South Africa. I know him so much because how African people just are caught on Nigeria because over here. Maka, for one night, I got your son Namde Carlo. Namde Carlo, a mamma, a macron, call our neighboring town, Womaya, the Kobo, the Komaya. Yeah, I'm a ban. Only use South Africa. Oh, I want the Nigeria Sonura Poda. In fact, I'm on my bed. This
is Biafra, Maputo. Biafra, Maputo. You can see it. Our brothers with his wife, pregnant wife. You can see what we are in Mozambique, telling the world what is happening to us. What Nigerian government are doing to us, how they are cleaning. They cannot kill us anymore. All we ask for is a referendum. We want to go home. We want to go home. We want to go home. Biafra Viva! We want to go home, and we are saying no to one Nigeria. All we need is a referendum. The day for referendum, so that we can go. All we need is date for referendum. We are tired of being killed in that zoo called Nigeria. So we cannot accept any killing anymore. So we have to take our message back to our governors. That so-called governors of Biafra land. For them to wake up. It's time for wake up now because you can see that we are not happy on what is happening to our brothers and sisters back home. We are not happy. And we must tell the world that we are not happy about what is going on to us. No, we have not killed anybody. And why should they be killing us? This is Emmanuel, and we are reporting from Maputo, Mozambique. People of Biafrans in Maputo are saying enough of killings, enough of all these killings, enough of killing of Biafrans in Nigeria, enough of killing Biafrans in Biafra land. We cannot take it anymore. So we are sending this message to the Nigerian government for them to know that it is time to let Biafrans go. It's time to let us go. We must go. Let them give us the day for referendum. That is all we are asking for. And we didn't see anything about it. When we asked for referendum, I didn't see anything particularly about. You can see people of Mozambicans, they are now taking note of what is happening. The genocide that is going on in Nigeria, in Biafra land, by Nigerian government, led by Mohammed Buhari. We are telling the world that enough is enough. They should let us go, and Biafra must go. Biafra viva! Biafra viva!